Let's see you hit the let's see you hit the baseball. Come on, like Daddy showed you. Cheese, yeah, but Daddy's video. Hit the ball. Show Daddy how you hit the ball. 2 hands. That's oh.
Did you tell Allie that you hit the ball?
I hit the ball. Right, you?
2 hands like Daddy showed you. Yes, I know you're on camera. Come on, Morg, hit the ball.
Hit the ball, go ahead.
Mom, you?
Mommy's turn?
Let's go.
Yay! This little girl's gonna sleep tonight.
Morgan, come on, go play with your baseball. No acorns. Drop that. Get rid of that. Acorn. Say acorn. Yeah, give it to Mommy. You can put it up on your baseball thing.